creating a good user interface design is crucial in today's digital age, where users expect seamless and intuitive experiences. In this video, we will explore 10 rules for creating good UI design, with real-world examples that showcase the power of these principles. Rule number 1. Keep it simple. The Airbnb UI is a great example of a simple UI design that makes it easy for users to find and book accommodations. The clean and intuitive design guides users through the process, making it effortless to use. Rule number 2. Make it easy to navigate. Slack's UI design is an excellent example of an easy-to-navigate interface. With clear and distinct navigation, users can find what they need with just a few clicks, streamlining the user experience. Rule number 3. Use color effectively. Instagram's UI design is an example of how effective use of color can enhance the user experience. With a minimalist interface, Instagram uses pops of color to draw attention to important features, such as the share button. Rule number 4. Prioritize content. Netflix's UI design prioritizes content, providing users with a visually pleasing interface that makes it easy to find and watch their favorite shows. The clean and simple design ensures that the content takes center stage. Rule number 5. Make it accessible. The Google Maps app is an example of how accessibility is crucial in UI design. With clear and distinct navigation and features such as voice guidance, Google Maps is accessible to all users, regardless of their abilities. Rule number 6. Use typography effectively. Spotify's UI design uses typography effectively to create a visually engaging experience. With bold and distinct typography, Spotify makes it easy for users to find their favorite artists and playlists. Rule number 7. Ensure consistency. The Facebook app's UI design ensures consistency across different devices and platforms, providing a seamless experience for users. With consistent design elements, such as the like button, make it easy for users to interact with the platform. Rule number 8. Use animation wisely. Uber's UI design uses animation effectively to enhance the user experience. With subtle animations that guide users through the app, Uber provides a visually engaging and intuitive experience. Rule number 9. Provide feedback. Dropbox's UI design provides users with feedback, letting them know when a task is complete or when there is an error. By providing feedback, Dropbox ensures that users are informed and in control of their experience. Rule number 10. Embrace simplicity. Apple Music's UI design embraces simplicity, providing users with a clean and minimalist interface that makes it easy to find and listen to their favorite music. With a simple and intuitive design, Apple Music puts the focus on the music, creating a seamless experience for users. Finally, testing and iteration are crucial in UI design. Test the design with real users to identify any usability issues or areas for improvement. Use the feedback to iterate and refine the design until it meets the needs of the users. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you had a great learning experience. Consider subscribing. Peace out.